Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog style video. I will tell you, I was not planning on making this video, but here I am. And the reason why is because I received a call from my hubby last night and I got some exciting news that he's coming home. So you guys, I get to see my husband in just a few hours, but what that means is that I need to take care of some things around the house. Now, I had already planned on going to the grocery store. I am sitting in the Kroger parking lot right now. I had already planned to go to the grocery store this morning or today just to pick up a few things, but now that my husband is coming home, I need to make groceries. So that's where we are. It's early in the morning. It's probably about 6:45. My son is still at home asleep with auntie, and I just wanted to take care of all of this before my sister had to go to work and before before my son wakes up. So that is what we're doing right now. We're going to head into the grocery store. I may even head to Publix. I'm not 100% sure just yet, but that is what we're doing right now. And then I will come back and let you know what my next steps are. So let's go. Guys, so we're back from the store. I am going to take the groceries into the house. I got my groceries there. I'm gonna take them to the house, put the groceries away, get breakfast started for Darian because my sister called and said that he is up. So I'm going to get some breakfast for him, and then I'm going to tidy up the kitchen before heading upstairs. So those are the next steps. I'm really praying that I have the energy to get most of this stuff done because I really just want to make sure that the house is somewhat clean and tidy for my husband to get home. I don't like him walking into a dirty, junky house for the stuff that I can control. So that is what we're going to do. Let's get into it.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Down now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Down now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Should've just thought I should let you know. But you don't know, no us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But you don't know, no us no more, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more, no, no. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? It's not ready, under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it.
Okay guys, so I still have the dishes and sweeping to do, but your girl tired. So I'm gonna take a break, and when I come back I should be upstairs because I'm gonna try to do everything else off camera, because it's taking me a little longer than I expected, and I don't want this video to be extremely long because I still got the second half of the day to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm out of breath, as you can tell, and yeah, so I still have laundry that I need to do, as far as like folding, take it upstairs, and my upstairs bedroom, I need to get that done, and bathroom. So y'all just work with me, okay? And I'll be back. Okay guys, so it is 5:30 and my husband will be home in approximately 2 hours. And the only thing that I was able to get accomplished was the kitchen, and tidied up the front room. And you guys, I have been so exhausted. I've been feeling so exhausted. And I think that I may have a tad of dehydration because like my head kept spinning the whole time that I was cleaning up. So what I did was I ate, and me and my son took a nap. And so I have somewhat of energy, a little bit more energy than I did before. So I am actually sitting in the Publix parking lot right now. There were some things that I was not able to get at Kroger that I'm hoping that Publix has, because I'm missing some ingredients for dinner tonight. And so I don't know if it's just that my my anxiety level is just kind of through the roof with my husband driving so far out of state to get home to me. But you guys, this has been a very rough day, to the point where I'm literally sitting in my car feeling like I'm getting ready to just burst into tears. But I say all that to say, I on my YouTube channel and wherever I am, I always want to be real and be very transparent with you guys. And that's really how I feel right now in this moment. So I have prayed, and I have just really asked God to help me with my anxiety and to protect my husband. So I'm good, you guys, at this very present moment. But I will tell you guys, I've been just feeling exhausted. So I have made up in my mind that I am going to do what I can, and whatever I cannot do, I've already talked to my husband earlier, and I can't get in contact with him right now. I think he's on the phone, but he stated to me that he's okay with whatever I'm able to get done today. But you know, maybe I just put too much on myself. But anyway, I'm heading into Publix right now. I pray that they have everything that I need. And when I get back home, my agenda is to finish the laundry, go upstairs and tidy up my bedroom and my bathroom, and then come downstairs and cook. And while I'm cooking, I hope to sweep the front room and to clean the microwave, because I forgot to clean the microwave. That's what I got going on. So let's go into Publix and I'll be back.